All non-Muslims are presently governed by the Law Reform and Marriage Act 1976 as regards reliefs in cases of marriage, divorce, custody of children, and the maintenance of the children, etc. As regards those who profess Islam, they are governed by the respective Islamic state enactments. Although the Act has been working reasonably well to settle conflicts among married couples, the issue becomes blurred, weak and ambiguous when one of the parents converts to Islam. After the matter of interfaith was raised by me in Parliament in 2009, the government announced banning unilateral religious conversion of minors and also formed a cabinet committee to do the necessary follow-up. But the committee only issued a directive advised that parents who do convert into Islam, the child shall be raised in the religion prior to the conversion. Till today, the promised laws to clear this confusing situation have never been tabled in Parliament. It was reported in April this year that a new similar committee was formed with two co-chairs, namely YB Nancy Shukri and Dato Jamil Kahir Barum. So far, nothing satisfactory with a lasting solution has been done by this committee. Why form another lame duck, toothless and ineffective committee? Thus, we the MPs of Pakatan Rakyat, namely YBR Sivarasa, Subang, YB Hanifa from PAS, and I are formally proposing that if Section 51 of the Law Reform Marriage Act is further strengthened with amendments, it will bring a win-win position to all. In our country, we have non-Muslims to be governed by the Law Reform Act and Muslims under the jurisdiction of Sharia Court. We realize this is a thorny issue, but a finality to address this issue must be done harmoniously. The government is not taking the lead and worse still, dragging its feet. A clear example of lack of leadership and vision for the people and community are much affected by interfaith squabbles. But very deviously, in the interfaith matters, which is a private matter, have become bigger, sensitive issues of concern and debate for religious and political leaders and community at large. The delay has been far too long, and it is time that the government must introduce the necessary amendments. If necessary, the de facto law minister, Nancy Shukri, should call upon an all-political party meeting to iron out this overdue and unattended saga. Without a doubt, many families are suffering to these anomalies. Amend the law and curb all those interfaith converts who are hiding behind religious laws for their own personal protection and benefits. An urgent and long-term permanent solution is a must.
If over the next few months, Pakatan also will sit down and discuss this, and if by next Parliament session, March, if there are no concrete proposals coming from Barisan Nasional, we are going to table specific proposals to the Barisan and say, please implement this quickly, because you have the majority in Parliament to change the laws. Implement it immediately to solve the problem.
We'll table it in Parliament the next sitting, unless by then the law minister does something. Yeah,
okay. I just want to add.
No, we can put in the order paper. It's like an amendment.
Yeah, the exact method, we'll look at motions or whatever.
Marriage Act.
Section 51.
Because we have, private members bill.